In this fast pace of changing world, technology has grown with the speed of rocket, and the companies whose business survive on our time on phone, they know it very well how to keep us hooked to the screen. Whether it's a Google or an Apple store, they have ocean of apps, and any service we need is just a click away. We open our camera to take one picture and then it's one after another from 10 different angles. All this is possible because of hundreds of GB space available on a phone. I could not have imagined it even on my desktop back in 2010. And all this downloading and clicking picture leads to this. This is the storage of my phone, which is 85% full. It is a 512 GB phone and it is not even an year old. If you go to apps, yes, keep on scrolling and keep on scrolling. And this is not enough. Then you have numerous folders with even more apps inside it. And yes, there is no prize for guessing that which folder has the maximum number of apps. Yes, you are right. It is social media folder which has maximum number of apps in it. I know this is a mess and I need to do something about it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Prerna and I love sharing my journey about minimalism, financial management and your girl vlogs too sometimes. But if you are not new here, you know that I have decluttered my closet. I have given more than 50% of my clothes. In spite of decluttering all this for past few days, I am feeling very anxious and just not my productive self best. So whenever we use the word clutter, mostly what comes to our mind is in the physical form. But this time when everything was clean around me, the consciousness was always asking me, what is that which is stopping you? Then I started journaling every day and keeping track of my time, and slowly I realized that I'm spending way too much time by juggling between my emails and just taking too much time finding one photograph from my gallery. It's like ocean of photos and I'm not getting the exact one I'm trying to looking for. And then I realized it's high time, Prerna, you need to do a digital declutter. And for starters, I'm starting with my mobile phone. So first place where I'm gonna start is the apps. As you can see, there are 203 apps on my phone. I know it's crazy, but we are gonna deal with it. Just like anybody else, whenever I found some really good app or if I see some video and people recommending app, I just download it. And maybe just in case I need it. So, but that just in case never comes. And today, the first thing which I'm going to declutter is my just in case apps. I have these digital planning apps like Dreamy Planner and Evernote on my mobile phone, and personally I only use Notion or a hard copy to plan. But I have kept them anyways, just in case I need them. And when you try to uninstall these apps, something inside you stops you. But you need to overcome that monster and get it done. Oh, that feels good. Okay, a next category is the duplicate apps. We have so many duplicates app on our phone, like 2 calendars, 2 calculators, 5 productivity apps, 10,000 editing apps. I don't know what are they doing there. I certainly need to get rid of so many of them which I am technically not using for more than 90 days now. So there are these 2 audio editing apps on my phone and I'm so confused which one to delete, but then you need to take a decision. This dilemma is not only while deleting the apps but also while using them. Unknowingly, we are burdening ourselves with decision-making fatigue, which leads to anxiety. Hence, we need to reduce the number of decisions we take in a day so that we can focus on what is actually important. Okay, it's not easy. It's seriously not easy. I'm trying my level best and this is so difficult. There are certain apps which I've not used but I know they are amazing, and the worst part is I do not want to delete them but I know I have to, and I think almost I'm halfway through. I have deleted some around 25 apps as of now. Let's see how more I can go with. I am certainly aiming for more than 50%. Let's see how it goes. Let me get back to it. Next and the third category is the most top category. It's a social media apps, and you have seen that I have so many social media apps on my phone. and I really certainly need to get rid of them. But this is not a social media detox time. Right now I'm not getting rid of my Instagram and Facebook and YouTube because I really need them for my editing and uploading purposes. But right now I'm just trying to declutter, so I'm trying to get rid of all those apps which I'm certainly not on, like the platforms like Discord, Twitter. I'm not active on those platforms. What is the use of keeping those apps when I'm not active? Whenever in the future I feel like I should be present on those platforms, I will definitely install them. So let's get rid of them first. Well, this is definitely gonna take a while as it has thousands of editing softwares which I have kept for just in case purpose. Look who is struggling here. Come on, let's do this. Yeah. There you go, girl. Great, super. Okay, a next category is this gallery, and this is freaking me out the most because there are 27,000 pictures in my gallery, including the videos. I'm going crazy. I don't know from where to start. Actually, there are already folders in my gallery, but still there are so many pictures which are just taken randomly, which are some for my thumbnail, which are maybe category pictures. So as you can see, I'm actually freaking out. I don't know how will I do that, but let's see. I have to do it. I have to complete it today because if I leave it for tomorrow, then it is not going to happen. So I have to get it done. Besides deleting, I will be transferring some of my videos from my phone to laptop for my YouTube purpose. Okay, so the good thing is I am done with the gallery, which is a huge achievement in itself. Now the next category is the messages, the text messages. I know in today's world hardly anybody uses text messages when people are using WhatsApp and other stuff. But the thing is, like, there are a lot of advertising messages which keep on coming, and sometimes my official messages also come on my text message. So as you can see, there are 1900 unread messages. I know it's a mess and my phone really needed a declutter. So but I think this is not going to take that much time because I'm not going to go through all the messages. I'm going to delete them, most of them just like that. So let's do that and I'll come back. So basically now it's turn to declutter my Gmail, but the problem is that I cannot declutter my Gmail over my phone because it takes a lot of time. So I decided to do it on my laptop, and I'll show you what is the condition. You will not believe that my Gmail is so full, and this is the condition where I have deleted 3000 mails 2 days back because it was completely full and I could not do anything without deleting it. So you have used 99% of your free storage. My god, this is way too much than I imagined. 14.95 GB is full. And to my surprise, my Gmail has only used 3.62 GB. My all data is in Google Photos. The same problem with the gallery. Okay, that is going to be one hell lot of a task. But somehow I'm always excited when I will be decluttering. Like the idea of things getting clear, it always excites me. So let's see how it goes. See, I'm not a very organized person, but yes, I love to be organized. That's a very deadly combination because every time you want things to be in place, you don't see them. And that always motivates me to become a better person, to keep things more organized, and that is why I did it. And I know there are a lot of people around me who face the same kind of situation. What is exactly I have learned through this process is that it's not only about physical declutter. Your digital declutter in this world of technology, being digitally decluttered is equally important because we are constantly on our phones and that is making us unconsciously very anxious. And I hope you guys also find this video helpful. please do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free. And see you until next time. Take care. Bye bye.